welcome to our channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe and like this video so that you will be notified when we post other interesting videos. Ever wonder why some friendships last forever while others fade away? There are secrets most people ignore, and today we are going to share it with you. Many people think friendships just work if they're meant to, but that's a big myth. The truth is, strong friendships don't happen by accident. We all crave meaningful and lifelong connections, those friendships that light up our lives and create lasting memories. Friendships require effort, just like any relationship. The strongest friendships don't just happen, they're built. Before we reveal the secrets, think about this. Have you ever lost a good friend and weren't sure why? Keep watching, because this might change how you see friendships forever. In this exploration of friendship, we'll delve into 6 powerful secrets to build and maintain strong friendships that endure the test of time. First and foremost, let's talk about the art of listening. Friendship is a two-way street, and being a good listener is one of the cornerstones of any strong relationship. When you take the time to really hear what your friends are saying, you show them that you value their thoughts and feelings. It's not just about nodding along, it's about engaging with their stories, asking questions, and offering support. Genuine interest in their lives strengthens your bond and deepens your connection. Remember, everyone wants to feel understood, and being a good listener can help you achieve that. So, the next time a friend opens up to you, put away distractions and give them your full attention. You'll find that this simple act can transform your friendship into something truly special. Next, let's discuss the importance of open and honest communication. This is where many friendships falter. Misunderstandings can easily arise when we don't express our feelings or concerns. Honest communication is essential for growth. It allows you to clear the air and express your thoughts without fear of judgment. Don't shy away from sharing how you feel, whether it's about something that bothers you or something that brings you joy. When you communicate openly, you create a safe space for your friends to do the same. This mutual exchange fosters trust and understanding, making your friendship more resilient. So, embrace honesty in your conversations. It may feel daunting at times, but the rewards are immeasurable. Another vital aspect of maintaining strong friendships is reliability. Life is unpredictable, and we all face challenges, but being there for your friends consistently is what truly matters. Whether it's celebrating their achievements or providing comfort during tough times, your presence can make a world of difference. Show up for your friends, not just when it's convenient, but when they need you most. This reliability builds trust and reinforces your commitment to the friendship. It's in these moments of support that the foundation of your relationship grows stronger. So, make it a priority to be there for your friends, and watch how your bond deepens as you navigate life's ups and downs together. Furthermore, making time for your friends is vital. One of the biggest reasons friendships fade is because people get too busy and stop making time for each other. The truth is, we make time for what matters. If you want to keep good friends, you have to be intentional about spending time together, whether it's in person or virtually. Here's you can proactively make time. 1. Prioritize the friendship. Life gets hectic, but even a quick check-in can make a difference. Treat friendships like any important relationship. Put in the effort to stay connected. Think about it. Do you only reach out when you need something, or do you also make time just to talk and catch up? 2. Plan, don't just wait. Instead of saying, "We should hang out soon," actually set a date. Even if schedules are busy, plan ahead. A quick coffee, a phone call, or a FaceTime session can go a long way. Pro tip: put it on your calendar like any other important appointment. 3. Find small ways to connect regularly. You don't always need a big outing to maintain a friendship. Small moments matter too. Sending a funny meme or TikTok, checking in with a simple, "How's your week going?" voice notes or quick texts just to say hi. 4. Quality over quantity. You don't need to talk every day, but when you do, be present. A deep, meaningful conversation once a month is better than small talk every day with no real connection. 5. Adapt to each other's lives. As people get older, friendships change. Instead of drifting apart, adjust how you stay in touch. If your friend has a busy job or a family, be flexible. Maybe a lunch break call works better than a weekend hangout. Now, let's explore the concept of giving more than you take in friendships. It's easy to fall into the trap of keeping score, but true friendships thrive on generosity and selflessness. Small gestures, like sending a text to check in or remembering important dates, can go a long way in showing your friends that you care. It's about creating a culture of giving, where both parties feel valued and appreciated. When you focus on what you can offer rather than what you can gain, you cultivate a spirit of camaraderie that enriches your friendship. Remember, it's the little things that often make the biggest impact. So, strive to be the friend who gives, and you'll find that your relationships become more fulfilling and rewarding. Lastly, let's address the inevitable conflicts that arise in any friendship. Disagreements are a natural part of any relationship, but how you handle them can make all the difference. Approaching conflicts with maturity, respect, and understanding is crucial for maintaining strong friendships. Instead of letting anger or frustration fester, address the issue head-on. Listen to your friend's perspective, express your own feelings, and work together to find a resolution. This respectful approach not only resolves the immediate conflict, but also reinforces your bond. It shows that you value the friendship enough to work through challenges together. Remember, it's not about winning an argument. It's about understanding each other and coming out stronger on the other side. In conclusion, building and maintaining strong friendships is an ongoing process that requires effort and dedication. By being a good listener, communicating openly and honestly, showing up and being reliable, making time for your friendship, giving more than you take, and handling conflicts maturely, you can cultivate friendships that stand the test of time. Each of these elements plays a vital role in creating a strong foundation for lasting connections. So, which of these tips do you think is most important? Now, I want to hear from you. What's the best thing a friend has ever done to keep your friendship strong? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this discussion helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.